Here a teacher is explaining the students about angles. Teacher: Monu, what does the diagram given here show? Monu: the diagram shows an angle. Sir, do angles have names? Teacher: yes, angles have names. Can you see the lines in the diagram? Tell me their names. Monu: this diagram has two lines, BA and BC. Teacher: which is the common point between the two lines? Monu: the common point is B. Teacher: these two lines join together to form an angle. The common point B is called the vertex. BA and BC are the arms of the angle. Monu: then sir, what is the name of the angle? Teacher: an angle is named by three letters. The letter in the middle represents the vertex of the angle. Monu: that means the name of the angle is ABC. Is that right? Teacher: yes. While naming the angle, we say angle ABC. Monu: sir, instead of angle ABC, can we say angle CBA? Teacher: yes, we can call the angle ABC or angle CBA. Both are correct. The symbol angle is angle ABC. The protractor. A protractor is used to measure an angle and also to draw an angle according to a given measure. The picture opposite shows a protractor. A protractor is semicircular in shape. The semicircular edge of a protractor is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part is 1 degree. 1 degree is written as 1 degree. The divisions on a protractor, that is, the degrees, can be marked in two ways. The divisions 0, 10, 20, 30, 180 are marked anti-clockwise or from right to left. The divisions 0, 10, 20, 30, 180 are also marked clockwise or serially from left to right. The center of the circle, of which the protractor is a half part, is called the center of the protractor. A diameter of that circle is the baseline or line of reference of the protractor. Measuring angles, observe how to measure angle ABC given alongside using a protractor. First, put the center of the protractor on the vertex B of the angle. Place the baseline of the protractor exactly on arm BC. The arms of the angle do not reach the divisions on the protractor. At such times, set the protractor aside and extend the arms of the angle. Extending the arms of the angle does not change the measure of the angle. The angle is measured starting from the 0 on that side of the vertex on which the arm of the angle lies. Here, the arm BC is on the right of the vertex B. Therefore, count the divisions starting from the 0 on the right. See Which mark falls on arm BA? Read the number on that mark. This number is the measure of the angle. The measure of angle ABC is 40 degree. We can measure the same angle ABC by positioning the protractor differently. First put the center point of the protractor on vertex B of the angle. Align the baseline of the protractor with arm BA. Second, find the zero mark on the side of BA. Count the marks starting from the zero on the side of point A. See which mark falls on arm BC. Read the number at that point. Observe that here, 2, the measure of angle ABC is 40 degree. Drawing an angle of the given measure. Let's draw angle ABC of measure 70 degree. B is the vertex of angle ABC and BA and BC are its arms.